Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, daily chart to start. You see the overshoot, you see him bring it back in, and it's just steadily bleeding to the upside. You've got higher lows each day at Globex. We have yet to take out yesterday's Globex low. We're down about 13 handles in Globex, but yesterday's low was 35.31. Today they did 35.38. And they continue to defend things on the downside. On the upside, they're a little more cautious. You can't blame them much. I mean, after this little blast off here, we're just in this area of consolidation, and the hourly mid bands are fairly tight, but the pre-FOMC price down to 35.10 is certainly support, and we've seen a consistent inability to get through this area here. Call it 76 to 78. We'll see how that goes today. They've been ping-ponging on either side of the hourly mid-band in the overnight. That's an area that the bears have got to convert to solid resistance if they're going to bring this in back to the 35.10, 35.12 support area. If not, then it's just a matter of time before we drift up towards 3600. So I'm kind of, I'm pretty neutral going into the open today. We're just going to let it open up. We're flat. We didn't trade overnight. Yesterday was a solid day. It got really whippy there towards the end, and we stepped out. I just didn't want to do 3, 5, 8, 12 trades to get involved in that move, and that was really what it was going to take. So we had our handles by then. We had about 20 handles by then. And we decided, we were going to skip that last move, and they did a nice one from 54 to the low 70s. But by our estimation, it would have taken another 3 or 4 trades to get into it, and then it's who's in it and who's not. The nice development this week in the room is the use of the interim stops that have really cut a truckload of risk. I mean, we still use the disaster stop, but on most trades, we can take that disaster stop out of play almost immediately. So if we literally aren't news bombed on the entry, we've got, we're taking anywhere from 3 to 6 ticks of risk on our trades now. So that's something we're still developing. It's something we're really excited about, and it's something we're going to implement the rest of this year going forward. We're always innovating here. So if that's something that you're interested in, come check us out. So for today, you got VWAP 55.5. Proprietary moving average is sitting on top of the hourly mid-band, right 59.5. They've taken a couple trips between 42 and 46 since 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning. Europe bounced it again. Europe bounced it from 45 to 68. That's just a very consistent directional move off that open, that goes anywhere from 8 to 20 handles pretty consistently. So as we head into today, we got to see how we open. 68 on the up, 46 on the down, and then above that you got 3600 and 3510 below. I expect a whippy, choppy open that's difficult to deal with, and we'll take it from there. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.